Hello guys, and welcome back to another helpful video. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to turn off autoplay on X so you can save your data and avoid unwanted video playback. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and in the search bar type X. Make sure to update the app to the latest version. Once you have updated the app, simply open it. After that, tap on your profile in the top left corner of the screen, then tap on Settings and Privacy. From there, tap on Accessibility, then tap on Accessibility again. Next, tap on Video Autoplay and simply select Never. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon.